Welcome to a world of immersive audio experience with the newly launched Truke Buds Q1 Lite True Wireless Earbuds. Boasting an impressive 48 hours playtime, these earbuds are designed to keep up with your dynamic lifestyle. No more muffled calls, as the crystal clear call feature ensures every conversation is as smooth as silk. And with fast charging capabilities, you're always ready for action. The elegant royal design is not just about aesthetics, it's about making a statement. Crafted to perfection, these earbuds are a blend of style and substance. Experience the power of Bluetooth 5.4, offering seamless connectivity and unparalleled sound quality. And with noise cancellation, the world outside is just a mute button away. For the gamers out there, the gaming mode ensures an unmatched gaming experience. It's not just about playing the game, it's about living it. And to top it all, a 1-year warranty assures peace of mind. The Truke Buds Q1 Lite True Wireless Earbuds, a true companion for your audio journey. Until next time, stay tuned.